The gearbox assembly attaches to the end of the trimmer shaft, and the trimmer head attaches to it. Inside, it has a couple of gears that alter the shaft angle and set the trimmer head speed. Over time, the gears can wear and fail, and the bearings can fail and seize. Either of these failures can also lead to a cracked housing. Replacing the gearbox assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the trimmer attachment from the engine unit. Now I'll remove the trimmer head from the business end of the trimmer. If I rotate the trimmer head around, you'll notice there's a hole in the trimmer head flange. I'll align that hole with the notch in the gear head. Then I can use an Allen wrench to lock the two while I remove the trimmer head. This is a reverse thread, so I'll turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Next, I'll remove the gearbox. First, the anti-rotation screw, and then the two clamp screws. Now I'll install the new gear head back onto the business end of the trimmer. I'll reinstall the anti-rotation screw, and secure it in place with the clamp screws. I'll install the flange, and now I can reinstall the trimmer head. And again, remember, it is a reverse thread. I'll lock the spindle in place and tighten up the head. And I'll finish up by reattaching the trimmer attachment. And that's all it takes to replace the gearbox assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.